What's up and welcome back to another video. And today we are doing the Coke and baking soda challenge. Because the baking soda is way better than Mentos. So we're just gonna get started right away. Let's do it. We're going to try to put it at the same time. Let's do it.
We're gonna do it at the same time?
Yeah. That's the whole point. You got that one.
I think mine says more than you did.
Let's do it.
Fine, I gotta open my baking soda. Oh. Okay.
Boom, look at mine. Yes. Look at this. Look at that. Guys, I'm so excited.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Just put all of it in, okay?
Okay. 3, 2, 1,
go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Put some more!
Oh, how many more? Oh, how many more? Look at mine, look how much.
It feels like slow and then it goes higher.
Look, it's making a trail.
Wait, let me put
Look
some
at
more.
it, look. Yeah, it's too short. Look at it. It's making a path.
Okay, guys, that was epic. Let's go do the next one.
Next one. Ew. It's gross.
Grab another baking soda for me.
Because that one has it.
Let's do it right here. Closer to you guys. Right there, right
So
there.
you can see it epic.
Be careful, it might explode. One of them dropped. I think that one's the one that
Oh, God.
Okay, ready?
No.
Okay, hurry up.
Yeah, you're probably going to use your baking soda after this one.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Actually, I'm going to put double.
No, Haley. Should I put double there?
No, that's why you need that one.
Oh, guys. It's actually really hard.
It's not hard at all.
I need help.
Okay, pass it over here. Why is
I can't open it all the way. Actually, leave it like that. So I don't waste all of it.
Guys, I got the one I used for the other one and a new one. Ready?
Okay, dump it.
3,
Hold on.
2, 1, go. Oh!
Okay, I'm gonna wait for mine to stop fizzing and then I'm gonna put some more of this. Oh, it's coming back up. You gotta wait till it's like down.
Guys, that's so cool. Now we can drink it. Let's go. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Hey,
Okay.
Hey, can we pour on both of these baking sodas at once in the last one? There's nothing in that one. Yeah, there is. There's lots in this one.
Okay, guys. Even closer to you.
And we're both gonna do it.
I'm going to do a new pack of baking soda.
And I still got my second old one.
Okay, let me open this real quick.
They do this, so a lot of it don't waste. I'm probably gonna have to waste it all though.
Why?
That's what we're gonna use this for.
Nothing. So that's why. We can just waste it because there's nothing we're going to do with it.
Okay, just play around, just dump it on some more stained Coke on the street.
Okay, guys. Hold on. Get back. We got to do this so I can see the
throw
face.
it?
No, we got to do this so I can see your face. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's still keep going. Keep going. Did you want to taste it actually?
Yeah.
I was about to taste it too. Oh,
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, mine went out.
guys. Now, let's dump the Coke.
Oh, wait. 3, 2,
2, 1.
Clean it.
Oh, yeah.
Another one. There. Tank empty.
Okay, let's play.
I got it last one.
Not yet. I'm doing fine.
I want to take your time off. Guys, she's mad.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Da-na-na-na. Is your phone waterproof?
Hey!
Is your phone waterproof?
Let's do it, guys. That was so much fun, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And yeah, see ya.
See ya, guys. Bye.